Here are the top 5 fastest animals in the world. At number 5, the lion, reaching speeds of about 80 kilometers per hour. Number 4, the wildebeest, built for speed and endurance. Number 3, the sailfish, the fastest fish in the ocean. Number 2, the golden eagle, diving at incredible speeds. And number 1, the cheetah, the fastest land animal on Earth. Which animal do you think should be in this list? Like, comment and subscribe for more insane ranking.